Hello guys, welcome back to JavaScript tutorials. In this video we will discuss about false values. What is false value means? The values that assumes as false value. See, undefined, null, this curly braces and NaN. These are the some false values. See, all of you know that we have discussed before what is undefined, when it will show undefined. See, let assume that user, make user, then now print that value user, then it is false value. See, I will print that, falsy. See, undefined, it showed undefined. This is the undefined value. And null value is similar to the undefined value, but when null value will give means let us consider that in one of the video we have discussed about temperature from getting from Google. See, if you give temperature and then value getting from the user, but from the Google, but Google not given any information, but we assume that it will be there, so then it will be a NaN value, null value, and this curly braces, and this will be also assumed as null values, falsy values. See, that user equal to make null, then if, see, if be null, user will print hello. See, then what will show? Nothing will be printed because it is false value. It will not enter into this loop. See, now we will see that now null. Now, but this is not, now this is a string, not a null value. Then it will print that. See, hello, presenting a value. And also JavaScript assumes some values like see, let log, all of you know, plus what will be the output of this. Yeah, see, 4. Let some will be change the value. Now see what will be that. See, 22 means it considers that 2, this has a string, 2 plus 2 means 2 plus string means it will be concatenated, not will be added, so it will show that 22. Then if you keep minus here, see, then what will show? See, 0. In this case it assumes that 2 is a null value, not a string value. It assumes that it is an 2 minus 2, it will assume that 2 minus 2, it will print 0. Okay, understand? Yeah. Then I will show one example. Let us consider here, keep 2, then here 2 equal to, here keep user, then see what will be output. It is, yeah, hello, it is printed. Now see, there is 2 and assume that it will be a string value 2. Say, now what will be output? See, now also it present hello, and means it's true value. Now in this case, before you see that 2 plus this means it will be concatenated. Then see, in this case, see, we use 3 equals. See, in this case it is not true. In this case it will be false. Why? Because means if you keep 3 equals, it calculate exact values. See, now it will be 2. Now in this case it will be printed. When you use 3 equals, it's case sensitive. It will calculate like exact, it be a string or integer, when you use 2 equals, it will calculate that 2 is present or not. This is one of the main drawback, main user in the JavaScript. Thank you guys.